Are you having trouble locating the fuse box on your 2023 Mercedes E Class? Wondering which fuse controls what in your car? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the fuse box, its location, fuse diagram, and how to troubleshoot common issues. Stay tuned and let's get started. Front passenger footwell fuse box. The front passenger footwell fuse box in the 2023 Mercedes E Class protects and distributes electrical power to the passenger cabin circuits, such as footwell lighting, seat heating. It prevents electrical faults by isolating overloaded or shorted circuits. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2023 Mercedes Benz E Class protects and distributes power to essential underhood systems like the engine management, fuel system control, cooling fan, and lighting, ensuring operational safety. Luggage compartment fuse box. The luggage compartment fuse box 1 in the 2023 Mercedes Benz E Class oversees and safeguards electrical circuits for rear functionalities, such as trunk lighting, hands-free power trunk lid, cargo area USB outlets, and relevant sensor or control modules. The luggage compartment fuse box 2 in the 2023 Mercedes Benz E Class handles and protects additional heavy-duty and auxiliary rear-end electrical loads such as trailer wiring, trunk sockets, air suspension, airmatic, rear seat adjustments, rear entertainment systems, and ambient lighting.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, Please like and subscribe for more informative videos.
Thanks for watching.